Hey guys, I'm Summer. Welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit excited today because finally we're going to talk about how to create your first Google Ads campaign successfully. In this video, I'll show you what is Google Ads in detail, why we should advertise on Google, and how to set up a Google Ads campaign successfully step by step. Just like I'll show you what are the different types of campaigns and explain what is the bidding strategies and keyword strategies exactly so that you will learn how to better take use of it to match your Google Ads campaign and match your marketing goals, marketing plans, and save money, save time in the beginning, not instead of running your ads in a rush way, right? So, because learning a new thing might need a bit of quite difficult because you might need to pay a lot of money and or much longer time. So whether if you are non-skilled ads managers or anyone who are interested, it's a great valuable course for you guys because it's totally free. So if you can give my videos a thumb up, and if you don't have already, please subscribe now. And if you have some many questions, please leave your message on the comment section below. I will reply and read sincerely. So let's get started now. So part one, what is Google Ads and how does it work for matching for your marketing goals? So I summarize some tips about what is Google Ads. It's about paid advertising platform that you can pay per click or pay per impressions. That means when someone clicks your ads or watch your ads videos, they will go to your website and go to your website or download your ads or fill out form or buy your ads or buy your products and sales directly, something like that, stuff like that. So you can manage your ads from anywhere, anytime, and anywhere, anytime just only with your Google Ads applications or some web login interfaces. So your ads will be displayed on YouTube, on search results pages, search partner work, and other sites across the web, such like some websites with content pages. So usually there are 6 campaign types listed. You can choose based on your marketing goals. They are such as discovery ads, image ads, display ads, YouTube ads, shopping ads, and performance max ads or app promotion ads. So today we're going to focus on searches. So let's go to take a look what is Google search ads. So as you can see in the when you search some keywords on the Google, so just like fiber laser curtain mission, you'll see on the top of research results pages there are 4, sometimes there are 3 or 2, or sometimes there are also some on the bottom pages, results pages. So the black icon means instruction. This is an ad and contains website link, headlines, title, ads description, site links, extra information, extensions, extra information. So this is for search ads on the left side, right up here. So on the right side, it's about searching ads like product images and prices listed on, and the customer can click on ads and will go to your website store to buy your products online directly. So let's go for the display ads. As you can see here, this is some kind of image ads display. Sometimes your ads will be displayed on YouTube. And so let's go for the Gmail discovery ads. Sometimes your discovery ads maybe also includes like if you have this is my Gmail account inbox, like this is green icon means it's an ad, and click on, you will see with an image, title, call to action, and as description. Sometimes it also will contain some film, some ask questions like what's your interest in our products, like so for collecting customers leads, or sometimes drives you to our websites. So this is called leads discovery ads. So now all of these campaign ads can get websites to get customers to go to websites, go for leads, go for call, go for email, This is picture that I summarized for you guys to understand how Google Ads campaign types match for different B2B marketing goals in different according sales funnel or marketing funnels. Like when people are in brand awareness and in consideration, if you want to drive traffic quickly, that is means your ads you can choose video ads, display ads, discover ads for brand awareness. And then if you want to get more clicks out on the leads and MQLs as soon as possible, like the people are in consideration of purchase, you can use search ads. You'd better use search ads and dynamic search to acquire those precise traffic, precise search potential customers. And the last one is about purchase. That means it's advocacy to expand your business with remarketing campaign or upload a custom list to learn more similar potential customers. So this is all about campaign types today. So why we should advertise on Google? The question is why we should advertise on Google? Well, if you ask me a question about what impressed me most about Google Ads, I would like use one word to describe. That is magic. Because usually B2B business takes at least 4 months to close. Not to mention if you want to scale your business scope. So but now, grow your business quickly with Google Ads can be easy in a short time, like with 3 or 4 times. Because just like give an example, the company I'm looking for now, we have last year in 2021, we with Google Ads acceleration campaigns, we have achieved some surprising results. Number one is we got more than 1,200 MQLs from Google Ads, which accounts for 50% among the total MQLs, and reached 50% growth rate in the last year, and which is the largest growth rate among the last 3 years. Also, we got more than grown by 15,000% potential customer sales volume. This is a great surprising result. So I believe you guys can use the Google Ads campaigns and strategies correctly. You can reach better results and boost your business quickly. So, and the other reason is hundreds of thousands suppliers are using Google. Even your competitors are beating your brand terms or stealing your business. So you might be missing your big opportunities, right? So if you don't use, you will missing big opportunities for your business. So this is the reason why I suggest that we should advertise on Google. So part 3, let's go for the most important part. Part 3, how to set up Google Ads campaign step by step. I will show you, don't worry, I will walk you through the process. So before we getting started, let's go ahead. Before we getting started, you should make sure your products and services are aligned with the product Google Ads policies. So for more detail, you can go to the Google Ads policies pages to read more. And if you don't have a Google Ads account, you can go to the adsgoogle.com to sign up with your Gmail. So now let's go ahead back to the Google Ads interface. So now let's go for the detail for the interface. I will introduce you first about the interface metrics. Basically, we'll almost use like this on the left side. This is all about all campaigns we have already existed. Click on all of the campaign types will be shown on, and you can, as you can see here, this is for filter by campaign status. Click on review by campaign types, exactly. So now next one is for metrics like overview. If you want overview, take a look about all campaigns over like click, total impact, total impressions, total cost, total conversions, or something like that metrics. Like here, click campaign settings. All of these this is places where for you guys to edit later on once you create your campaigns. And then let's go ahead for the right corner Up here, you can see all of them, some menus for tools and settings like billings, planning, measurement, or reports, or help, go for help. So I will introduce you guys for this later on, especially when we're doing keywords research. So now let's go for the how to create new campaign start. Starting in the beginning, we can click this one, campaigns, or this one, all campaigns, and then click this button plus choose new campaign. So you are going to see a variety of campaign objectives you might choose. You might figure out what choose you want to focus on first. So typically, if you are a B2B businessman, I highly recommend you guys start as go for leads, because sales funnels just might take at least 4 months. It's a bit long term. So getting many qualified leads is very important for sales managers to follow up, right? So let's click for leads and then continue. So now you should choose which campaign types. It's based on what results you want to get. Like just what I mentioned before, that there are 6 different campaign types already. You can choose based on marketing goals. So I highly suggest to search campaigns. That is because it's kind of specifically targeting people who are interested in your products or services. They are using some relevant keywords. They are actively searching, and they are ready to. The most important part, they are ready to buy because they are searching, right? So let's go for such as. Reach customers when they are searching. So about this one, reach your goal, select what you like to go. Firstly, don't worry. If we don't know whether it's go phone calls or websites, we can skip up. So now it's about regarding the campaign name. The default means leads search to. What does that mean? It means leads means you choose the campaign goals for leads. Search means you choose the campaign types for search. And number two means it's your second campaigns. So for notice that I suggest you guys might give your campaign name as a rule, like target areas, target campaign types, target goals, and or even target products. So in the as long as time goes by, if there are many campaign types series already, you will find out as a giving name as a rule, you will better help you better analyze and review the data report to analyze which areas cost too much, or which campaign works better. So let's go for continue. Just by default lead search. So we can choose lead search or start new or no go back. This is what I made current and previously. So now regarding budget and bidding. So budget, you should figure out how much you're gonna pay every day, or how long you want to see results, because Google Ads takes some time to get results. So in the beginning, I suggest you guys to start with a pretty small of budgets and see what's gonna happen, and then we can add a little bit more budgets, and then help generate more data, and then we'll help you properly optimize your Google Ads campaign. So different budgets means you can use different bidding strategies. Yes. So now let's go for the bidding strategies. We usually test on max clicks. Why? Because the good reason for this is max clicks can help you get much data as we can on how much keywords cost, what schedules to get conversions as you can, and once we get more data and get more conversions, just like at least 5 conversion in the last 15 days, we can change our strategies into maximize conversions. So what is maximize conversions? It means Google will, once you choose this bidding strategy, Google will help you. The first goal for Google is to help you drive as much many conversions as much as possible. But if there are not enough conversions data, Google don't know how to which clicks are the most likely to get conversions. So these two kinds of bidding strategies are usually can go for in the beginning. This is my suggestions. So sometimes if you want take a full custom control over which amount you want to spend, so you can choose the like this. We can focus on clicks, like set a maximum cost per click, like with a limitation, which means if you set up $30 30 RMBs, each clicks won't higher than 30 RMB. Also, I would say the last one is a manual or focus on impression share, like where do you want ads to appear, or focus on conversions, like you can search a bid directly, not recommend, use the portfolio, exactly, like manual bid strategies. What is manual CPC? That is what I mentioned before. You can take full custom control by manual CPC. Manual CPC, one point for you guys to take is for you should take more attention about manual CPC, because keywords cost increase suddenly. Change suddenly. If you don't take much attention, your ads won't be shown at that time. So let's go for the next one. What is campaign settings? As you can see, the default is selecting Google search partners, display networks. So I highly recommend just you can select search networks, but don't choose display network. Why? Because display network will run off your ads budgets as quickly. So even though it can get more traffic, but the traffic is very low. So in the beginning, don't choose display network. But in some situation that you can try, because like you have enough budget, and basically in the first stage your goal is to drive much potential traffic as much as possible. You can try use display network, like your brand AdWords. So let's go ahead for the locations, languages, audience segments. What is all about? It's all about targeting audience, like targeting countries, targeting languages. Like you can you can display your show your ads all around the global, like all countries and territories, in line with Google Ads policies. Also, you can enter some locations you want to specific target. Like if you want to target the United States, and let's click target. And also we can click group all of the countries into one group campaigns, like Canada. So target. But there is also sometimes we want to exclude some countries like Mexico. We can enter the name and choose exclude it. So it means our ads won't be shown in Mexico. So this is very important. Let's go for the next important part, the location options. As you can see, Google firstly recommend target princess or interest, means people in or regularly in or someone are interested in your target locations. Someone like if someone interested in USA, but they are not currently based on USA, so I recommend you choose presence, someone precisely your local targeting locations, and choose the excluded, like people in excluded locations for recommended. So now let's go for language. So how to choose language? Exactly, if your website is in English and your targeted countries who speak in English, just choose English. But also sometimes some certain languages will work better because with higher conversions with low costs. Why? So that's okay. Choose. Sometimes you can also try other language, like because in Canada some people will speak French, so they will sometimes use French to search. So Google will automatically with Google Translation to translate your English content pages into French. So that's okay. So this is for campaign settings. So now we are on the ads, keywords, and ads. This is the very important part about the process. Why ads group means we can set up some relevant keywords list in one group. They are more relevant, and keywords what we are bidding, and some keywords or phrases that are relevant to your products or services people are searching. So now if you don't know, so in the beginning for regarding keywords strategy, I would I suggest you guys can try SKIG, single keywords group. What does it mean? So like we usually use three combination like of one keyword, like broad match, laser machine, phrase match, laser machine. That in one keyword, the three match types, like exact match, laser machine. At the same time, we run them to 1 or 2 months to see what happens. Usually we'll see different locations with different search behaviors. Like some in USA, customers our ads will get more clicks with phrase match, but sometimes in Canada, they might be get more clicks with broad matches. So we should focus on continue our search term report as much as possible to see which type works better. Okay, so now we are on the ads copy. Okay, right, I forgot about it. So for keywords, discover new keywords. As you can see here, tools and setting right up corner, like the planning, keyword planner can help us to discover, like this. Sorry, my computer has something drives a little bit slow. Like this one, keywords laser machine, get started. You can to know which country, to know United States and Canada, how many people are searching for laser machine and they are using English. Yes, all of these are some keywords related to laser machine. So laser machine it shows average monthly search volumes are 1,000 or 10,000, and the top of pages bidding the range is almost 9 RMB, and top of page bidding high range maybe of 30 RMB. So this is for your keywords research. Sometimes sometimes they use search laser machine, or they are like using laser cutting machine or laser engraving machine. You can see whether it is good for bidding your bidding. So let's go back to the continue. Sorry, I campaigns. So this is this graphic. Let's go ahead. How to finish? Let's click finish. So let's see. Budget 100. Sorry. Coke. Next one. And keyword. So for the ads copy, as you can see, final URL means it has an introduction. The final URL is the URL then people reach after clicking your ads. If you should match what your ad promotes, we use the cross-domain redict, enter it in a tracking template. So long story short, it means you should fill out a landing page or website that you want to drive customers to go after they click your ads. Like this, the website one page 1. Okay, this is URL address. And display path, you should you are bidding type that laser modeling machine. So let's go ahead for the headline for title. Usually now it's told the major ads type is for responsive ads type, and it contains no more than 15 headlines for title. For this ads description within 90 words, each ads description within 90 words. So I suggest you try to fill out headlines and ads description as many as possible for Google Ads to automatically test for you to see what kind of headlines and descriptions works better for you. Now, you should better include the keywords you are bidding on your advertises, your first delivery, your features, or call to action like contact us, etc. So for ads copy, I will make a video for how to write a Google Ads copy run later on. So that's just for beginning. Let's pretty much click there are 4 descriptions. So now all of this we have done. It's like we sell laser cutting machine all over the world, global, with fast delivery. Inquire now, contact us now, or contact us now like this. Contact inquiry now, or buy now, like this. So so don't worry, this is just for example. This is not good as copy. I just want to fill out it quickly for go for the next one. Next, for site link extension, just what I mentioned before, site links. If you should the extensions, Google says if you can fill out all of the extension like site links, call extension, call extensions, it will help you to get 15% higher click-through rate. So it's very useful. Sometimes even some people see your ad, but they see your phone number, but they won't click your ads, but they will give you a code. That means your ads can won't pay, but also can get some potential customs, right? It's very useful. So now review. Let's go back to the review type. Once you fill out all of the campaign steps, as you can see, that Google will ask you to drive you to review your campaigns in step by step. So like campaign name, campaign type, objective goal for check. So what is there is something to add. So all. And then the last one is publish campaign. If your ads campaign has something wrong, Google will tell you to correct. So go back publish. So now this is all of the steps for creating Google Ads campaign, search campaigns. I know that's all. Thank you guys. In the following days, I will make better videos for you guys, but because I know this is my first time to do some make some tutorials for you guys, but I need your help, encouragement with in giving some my videos a thumb up, likes, and because if you give my videos a thumb up, more people can see my video, and or if you have questions, please give your comment section below. I will give you a reply and read sincerely and give and make more better and better videos for the people. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next time. See you.